Inside of this thing. Okay, watch out, watch out. Sit down. Sit down. It's yours. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, okay. He's excited. He's gonna be like, wow, this is gonna be my first scooter. Three-wheeler. Yeah. And let's go ahead and check it out. What's in here? I'm super excited already. And you get a cool scooter. So this is it, guys. So we're gonna go and open it up and see what's in here. And let's see. Of course, you can have an instruction, have Allen key on there, you have extra LED lights, and you get this right here. Wow, I'm surprised how the low material on this thing, the scooter. And it comes with this. Let's go ahead and take this off. And what do we get? Yep, we get a scooter. Very lightweight. Yeah, and it lights up. So just go ahead and put this down. So all you had to do is, I guess, put this down here and it's ready to go. Quick assembly, you can say. Just put it like that. And it's on. Wow, and then you just gotta go ahead and put this down here. Yep, and it's all set up. Let me see, he's pretty short, so, okay, uh-oh. Okay, hold on for a second. It's gonna be your scooter. And it's a good thing it comes with this instruction here. So let's go ahead and make this shorter. And I've been always trying to look for something for his size, but I couldn't find it yet, so, oh well. It's on. So that's the lowest settings on this scooter, and my son is only like a year something old, so he's gonna be riding around like this for a bit until he grew. But so if you have like a year-old son or a kid or daughter, I would say a year and 4 months, 5 months, this is the way to go. And he fits in here and he stays on. And yeah, you guys can see, and he's enjoying it already. And then when he grows up, a few months later or a year later, you can actually just put this back up and you can let him ride push scooter. Stand up, and he can ride it standing up. So it's good. So the turn is nice on it. When you tilt it sideways, both of the wheels is turning in the front, and he likes it. Woo-hoo. Okay, you want to sit down on it? Yeah, but I'm surprised for what you're getting it for. Just look it up. So this company, and I mean everything's wrapped up. I'm trying to take off the wraps, but it's really you know, the quality of it. And of course, if you have a bigger child, you can also adjust these right here. This is good. And you can make it taller, and you can actually, you know, have someone ride this height. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, see if I can even do it. Just go ahead and put it back. Wow, even me, I can ride it. I can ride it. Look, interesting. And I weigh about how many pounds? I would say like 185, 190 pounds. And now, oh wow. Okay, that's too tall for you. He's enjoying it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put him down here. And you can always adjust these. You just push it down. And you gotta push it down again. And that's it, and then you can just close it up. Yeah, so it's worth it. I mean, if you're gonna get it for your daughter or your son or as a gift, you should definitely check this out because it comes with that neon lights on already. And see, it lights up. Even the back light lights up. And even have a braking system here in the back. Step on. And he's gonna be riding this around. See? Look at that. A 1-year-old even can hold on. See? And it has that rubber textures on the side too. And this right here, they have a little arrow in front, it's like rubberized also, I think. So the quality is good on it, so I would say. Yeah, so definitely, man, check this out. I know you can probably get them for less, or you can get them on sale. But just look it up, and I think you can also lock the bottom. Oh, you can actually take this off. Yeah, again, so thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys saw this video and share it. Look. Woo! Interesting. Ready? Look. Woo! Yay! He doesn't even know how to ride skateboard yet or scooter. He can actually try it now. With this 3-wheel, make everything possible. All right, here you go again. See? Look at that. Awesome. Wow. Good job, buddy.